Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to create a card using some distress inks, and I'm going to blend them with water. I have these beautiful colors, as you can see. My new color is Salvaged Patina. I bought it recently. I have also dyes, and you can see that I'm going to use the biggest one, and this is going to be the shape of my card. And I have also some stamps. I love the one on the bottom, so I think I will use it. So let's start. I'm using my die cutting machine to cut the shape of my card. Now I'm blending two of my colors. It's Blueprint Sketch and Salvaged Patina. I'm going to sprinkle it with some water and blend it on my card. Okay, it looks nice, but it's not enough, so I'm adding some more Salvaged Patina and some Salty Ocean. When I'm pleased with the effect, I'm using my heating tool to make my card dry. Now it's time for stamps, and I'm using the one on the bottom, as I said before. This is some kind of sign, I don't know, handwritten, I think. And I will stamp it 3 times on my card, because I'm going to create a pattern for the card. For stamping, I'm using Blueprint Sketch distress ink, and I think it looks really nice. It's very delicate, but it's visible. By the way, look at my fingers. Oh my god, it's a mess. I'm using now a FINETEC paints. The colors are Vibrant Blue and Caribbean. I really love them, as you already know. I'm going to sprinkle them on the card, and it will give me a really nice shiny effect. I will paste some washi tape. I have a couple of them, and I think I will use 1 or 2 of them. And this is how I will create my pattern. As you can see, I have here a die cut, and this is a hello sign. I really love it. I will cut it 4 times because it's really thin, and I will glue them together. I love this sign. It's really cute, but it's also very delicate, so I need to be very careful. Okay, let's glue them together. But it's not over yet. My idea is to make some embossing, and I'm going to emboss this sign in sparkle clear embossing powder, and it will give me a very cool shining effect. Now I'm using my heating tool to melt the powder. And I will glue the sign to the center of the card. I decided also to add some sign, and it's going to be I miss you and a little black heart. Using foam tape, I'm attaching it to the front of the card. I have here this cardstock with very cool, nice patterns, and I think I will use one of them. Okay, the blue one with the dots, it's perfect. Okay, it looks nice. As you can see, I also already have a card base. But I think I will make some more. I mean, I will cut the corners. And at the beginning, I thought that I will cut only 2 of them. But then I decided that I will cut all 4 corners. And my card is ready. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this simple card. I think it's cute and I had a lot of fun doing it. And I hope to see you soon in my next movie. Bye!